Are you ready to look slimmer, healthier, and have a flat belly than you have in years? Are you ready to finally be able to fit back into your skinny jeans and lose that belly fat for good? Well, there are a lot of conflicting information floating around on the web as to weight loss. The solution has nothing to do with taking pills, powders, potions, or exercise gadgets to try and fix the problem overnight. It has everything to do with naturally getting rid of harmful toxins and pollutants that are circulating inside your body right now. The fact is, diets don't work. Carrying extra weight is a health risk, but recent scientific studies have linked certain foods to such potentially life-threatening conditions as high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, depression, heart disease, and even cancer. Believe it or not, Americans spend billions of dollars on weight loss pills, powders, potions, and ridiculous exercise gadgets that do nothing in the long term. The most vital component to getting in the best shape of your life is to create an environment that is healthy inside the body first. This is where creating great tasting and fat-burning juicing recipes was born. By consuming freshly juiced vegetables every single day, you can completely transform your body from not only the inside, but on the outside. And you can totally change your life around, plus live longer. You'll also notice an immediate increase in energy, more passion, and a desire for your relationships. Your digestive system will become normal, and most of all, you'll enjoy your diet and new healthy lifestyle. By drinking freshly juiced vegetables mixed in with some fruits, you'll finally start to see fat melt away and never have to struggle again on achieving the body you've always wanted. That's right, I'm talking about fat-burning juicing recipes that you'll enjoy and be easy to make without the hassle. You'll discover how to detoxify your body of pollutants that have been circulating inside your body, keeping you from having the sexy body you desire. If you are someone who exercises and applies these healthy fat-burning juicing recipes, you'll finally begin to see your body's fat and your weight drop like it has never before, and you'll get amazing results. So let's get started, and I'll see you inside.